Welcome to my collective build log fundamental shapes by myself, JD Slowthumbs. This is an overview of the fundamental shapes that enable the use of a slide pot as a helicopter collective angle sensor. The magic of 30 degrees. The sine of 30 degrees is 0.5. We have a 2:1 ratio, so for 4 inches of travel on a slide pot, we need to go out 8 inches from the pivot on the lever. Note the pivot point will need clearance and back for the friction tightener. For the friction tightener, I am using a carriage bolt, at least 2 layers of cork rubber gasket material, a wide fender washer, and a wing nut. You need something that does not compress all at once. Compression will be adjusted in degrees of turn on the wing nut. You need a gradual adjustment instead of all or nothing. Here's the lower stop at 0 degrees. The upper stop is at 30 degrees relative to the top edge, not the center line or bottom edge. To prevent binding, do not extend the stops behind the pivot point. Add wires to the slide pot, hot, return, and wiper, the sense. Put the slide pot with wires on a carrier that can be attached to the collective lever. Temporarily position the slide holder and mark its position and adjust as needed. Do not use all 100% of the slide travel to prevent stretching the slide pot. Add shims as needed to prevent stretching the slide pot. Securely attach the slide holder. File down and sand smooth the edges of the handle area. Finished. Enjoy your new collective. In this example, using PVC conduit parts, I have a 1-gang electrical box mounted closer to the pivot. In this example, using PVC conduit parts, I have a 2-gang electrical box mounted farther from the pivot. Please subscribe. I plan to publish more in the near future, 2018. Collective build log 3B. Slide pot spliced into a joystick. See playlist. Collective build log 4B. Using PVC conduit with starter button and throttle knob. See playlist. Collective build log 5C. Featuring a twist throttle and more functions on the grip. See playlist. Collective fundamental shapes. This video. Collective lessons learned. Some that work, some that don't. Coming soon to my playlist. Thank you for watching my video, JD.